In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Pipedrive contacts more searchable. This quick and easy tutorial will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring that you can navigate your contact list more efficiently and effectively. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to log into your Pipedrive account. If you're not already familiar with Pipedrive, it's a powerful tool for managing your sales and contacts. Being able to quickly find the contact you're looking for is essential for maximizing your productivity and ensuring you stay organized. Once you're logged in, head over to the Contacts section. You can usually find this in the main navigation menu. This area is where all your contacts are stored, and it's the main hub you will be working with throughout this tutorial. Click on the contacts, and let's go deeper into optimizing our searchability. Next, locate and click on the Filter option. This is an incredibly useful feature because it allows you to sift through your contacts based on specific criteria. Without filters, you'd be scrolling endlessly through your contacts. Using filters helps you find exactly what you need without wasting time. Once you've accessed the filter options, you'll see an option to add a new filter. Click on this to create a customized filter that suits your needs. This step is crucial because it enables you to set parameters that are most relevant to your contacts. Consider the information you often look for or need quick access to, such as names, positions, or any other specific fields you frequently use. After selecting to add a new filter, you'll find yourself at the option to select field. This is where you can define exactly what kind of information you're looking for. Take some time to think about which fields will make your search as efficient as possible. You might want to filter by fields like email addresses, job titles, or organization names depending on your specific needs. Now, once you've decided on the field or fields that are the most useful for your searches, it's time to save your new filter. Click on the Save button to preserve your settings. Saving your filter ensures that all the work you've just put into optimizing your search options isn't lost, and it allows you to have these filters readily available whenever you need them. And that's it. You've successfully made your Pipedrive contacts more searchable by establishing efficient filters. This improved searchability will undoubtedly save you time and help keep your workflow smooth and hassle-free. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it enhances your experience with Pipedrive.